Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Anandi, and it would really mean a lot to me if you could go down and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the post notifications button so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And also don't forget to follow me on Insta because I'm super active there. Now, coming to what this video is going to be about, it's about how we deal with stress. So before that, I just want to say that I am no one professional to give you any advice about how to deal with stress. But just that being a human being, we all have our times when we feel very stressed and we don't know what to do. So even I had those times, and I have learned a few techniques which work for me to help me deal with stress and cope with those times. So I will just share that with you all, and maybe you find something helpful. But again, I am no one professional. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the very first thing which we need to know is that feeling stressed is pretty normal. It is nothing abnormal. We all can feel stressed. Thing which makes me feel very relaxed and very calm is taking a hot shower with scented body wash. So if you are a lover of scented body wash, go and take a hot shower with scented body wash. It will help you to relax. We all need our own time to relax and just have our me time and enjoy our me time. Thing which makes me feel good is reading a book with having a scented candle around me. I don't know if it is going to help you all, but if you are a book lover, if you love reading as much as I do, you are going to love that. And again, as I said, scented body wash helps you to just refresh yourself and stuff. Same way goes for scented candles, and these work for me like, oh my god. Something is that pen down your feelings. It basically works for me as well. Very like, I am someone who doesn't really go to people at the very first time and speak about what I'm feeling. I will first write it down, and if I feel that okay, I am feeling happy after writing it down, I will not go and share it with someone else. It has always been my time. Like, you will always find me writing something or the other about my feelings, and it really helps me. So if you are one of those persons, just go ahead and write down your feelings. You are going to feel good. Next is good food. Like, who doesn't love food? Just have something you love. Whenever I'm feeling stressed, I would like just go and ask my mommy, and I'll be like, give me some ice cream. I'm like that. And my mom is like, every time I'm going to have an ice cream, my mom is like, are you stressed? Is something happening with you? It's just like that. So good food. I personally prefer hot chocolate, coffee, and ice cream whenever I'm feeling sad or upset, or even if I'm stressed, as I said before. So you can give it a try. Whenever you feel stressed, go and have some good food. And nothing can beat the happiness we get after having our favorite food. So just give it a shot. Go and have your favorite food. Next thing is that if you are a nature lover, you can just go around and spend some time with nature. You can just go to your terrace or your balcony and just stand there and enjoy the cool wind. You're going to love that if you are a nature lover. And I have even read that nature and even our pets, if you have a pet, like if you have a dog or a cat or anybody, so you can just spend time with them and they will help you relax. But I'm stressed, I'll just go out and walk in the evening and I'll enjoy the breeze and I'll be happy with that. So if you are a nature lover, and moreover it is said that nature helps to heal people, so you should go and spend time with the nature. I personally like I am a sea lover, so if anything like that happens and whenever I go near the sea, I would just sit there and enjoy, and that really helps me relax. So that if that's something which attracts you, you can do that. You can do something. I have heard that people love to bake whenever they are stressed, or even cook food. So you can do that. I don't really prefer baking or cooking that much, rather than I love eating whenever I'm feeling stressed. So I am that type of a person. But I have heard that even my friends say that they love to cook, so that's why they will be just cooking whenever they are feeling stressed. So you can give it a try. Maybe that works for you. You can watch something which is your favorite. So my personal favorite is watching a few cute videos of BTS. Don't judge. You should not judge because that's my choice. Always watch videos which makes you happy. Even I have heard my friends say that whenever they watch those cute baby videos of babies, they enjoy. So you can give it a shot. Maybe it will work for you. So Just do things which you love. And you are one of those persons you like having people's company. You can go to your friend and talk to them about what you are stressed, or you can go and talk to your family. If you are not like that, if you are an introvert, you can just write down your feelings, as I've also mentioned, which I do all the time. So basically what I would like to suggest to you all is that enjoy your me time. Keep some time to yourself to relax. And that's what we all need basically. But if you are someone who loves the company of people, you should go and talk to your friends and parents, as I said. But if you are someone who loves me time just like I do, you can do what you want to do. You can do what you love. Cook food, bake, do whatever you want. Basically, stress is normal, and it's our duty to have some time for ourselves and enjoy and relax. That will definitely help. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found something helpful, please go down, like, share and comment on this video and help me grow. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn the post notifications button on.